Hello, this is Aaron. Hello, this is Aaron Sawatsky with the Byproducts team. This is the last video in this series instructing you on how to place your electronic bids for the 2024-2025 season. We've went through and we've completed all the information on the form. We verified it here on the final page, and now all we need to do is submit it. So after we verified everything and we've got our ownership information in here and we have our addresses in here correctly, we can go ahead and hit next. And what's going to happen here is we're going to be given a message that you're almost done. So we need to go and check our email to review and sign your documents. So I'm going to go into our email here, and it should just take a minute to have this pop up. Once the email arrives in your inbox, you'll see something similar to this. So this is the email that was received. I click on it, and what it says is you want to review your document. So if you click on the link, so there's going to be an ask here for you to agree to use electronic signatures. You can read the electronic records and disclosure. I would also encourage you to, if you haven't already, to have read our terms and conditions on our Byproducts website, as the terms and conditions were updated to include electronic signatures for this year. So once I hit agree and continue, you can see here that the information has been populated. So we can see these agreements look very similar to what you're used to. You can see that we have all of the data here that we clicked in the form showing up. Now, if you want to, you can change that again here, but this is where we really need this to get signed. And if we scroll down, we can make sure that everything fits in here. So now you can kind of see how this all comes to place. We have our authorized persons here. We have a number of cards. This is one of the places that we would need to sign. So I will adopt and sign there. And your title. So whatever you are in this organization, I'll just say that I am the partner in this situation, for example. Okay, so now we can move down here. We can see exactly what your bid forms were. We wanted to place a bid at every factory. We rank them. We can see our bid price and we can see our tons. So when our team looks at this, we'll know, because there'll be another field in here that's not quite on the bid that says, do you want to bid at multiple factories? We'll know that in this case, in our example, we selected no, we didn't. We want the rank to determine where the bid will be accepted. And if it was accepted at Moorhead, those 1,000 tons would be our total tons. All these other ones would be ignored. Okay, versus when we come down here for the tailings, remember we wanted acceptance at multiple factories here. So we can see the rank of the factories, we have our bid prices, and then we have the tons. The 250 tons at each location totals up to that 1,000-ton bid because we wanted those accepted at multiple locations. Okay, so we have a second place to sign, and all you have to do is collect that signature here. Again, we're just partner in this case. So now we go down into the Form 5. You can see, because I was the person filling out the form and I'm the same customer, that name is going to be the same. So you can see some of these forms have been pre-populated for you. You can see all of our check boxes are met. We selected no on that, but if we selected yes, we can still change this into a number of 10, which it's okay if you want to do that or not, but mostly the web form should take care of that for you. So you can see here that you'll be able to sign and the date will be populated here. So once we adopt our signature there, you can see it's signed. We can click finish. Now for the site owner, they will also need to perform this. But for your part, this completes that document. So now we hit finish. So as you can see, it's that simple to complete the process. And once you've submitted that, you're done. Now, if you do have a site owner, make sure that you remind them that they need to check their email for any documents that are coming their way. And that's really a nice reminder. If we see the documents sitting in our inbox, not signed, we will also send out a reminder if we see them, but it's really your responsibility to take care of that on your end. So I hope this helps you understand the bidding process moving forward. And if you do have further questions, please let us know. Again, it should be very simple. You do not need anything but a valid email address, no purchases or no data requirements out there besides just that email. Again, contact us at byproducts@crystalsugar.com or at the byproducts hotline, and we look forward to receiving your bid.